TRANSFORMER RX is an integrated dual-function bike stand and floor pump designed for cyclists who travel and need compact portability. For added protection during travel, it comes with its own storage bag, featuring an extendable tripod base for great stability. The tool-free adjustable hooks allow quick positioning to fit your bike and lift the rear wheel for general cleaning, light maintenance, shifting adjustment, and bike storage. TRANSFORMER RX comes with an extendable hose allowing easy access to the front and rear wheels. A flip-out top mount gauge is easy to read, while a T-handle helps you to effortlessly pump up your tires to the optimum pressure. This innovative foldable dual-function bike stand and floor pump is essential equipment for cyclists who travel to races, enjoy cycling vacations, or just want the most compact floor pump to have in their race bag or car trunk.
Unior's 1693A BikeGator Plus is a foldable, auto-adjustable bike stand with a tool tray. Without the tool tray, the stand only weighs 5.7 kilograms, although it is durable, rigid, and strong, as it is fully made from metal and aluminum parts. The auto-adjustable clamp is fitted with a heavy-duty spring. It is compatible with tubes from 24mm to 40mm in diameter. To use the clamp, simply press on it to close it and pull on it to open it. The clamp can be rotated a full revolution to best fit your needs. It can even be removed from the bike stand for better storage or to be replaced with another one of Unior's bike clamp. To prevent damages to bikes, the clamp's jaws are made from rubber and can easily be replaced when worn down. For comfort and durability, the auto-adjustable clamp is fitted with an ergonomic, heavy-duty 2-component handle. The BikeGator Plus stand includes a tool tray. The tool tray allows you to have easy and efficient access to the tools you need the most. The bike stand can be adjusted from 1 meter high to 1.5 meters high.
The Park Tool PCS 9.3 brings Park Tool quality to a basic but versatile workstand for the home mechanic. Featuring a reinforced, locking 3-point leg system and teardrop-shaped steel tubing, the PCS 9.3 is equipped to hold nearly any bike in any position. And with a fully adjustable clamp based on a version of our shop clamp design, the PCS 9.3 holds and secures tubes and seat posts of nearly any shape and material. Easy to store and endlessly versatile. The PCS 9.3 is the perfect upgrade for your home shop.
The Cyclo system has an interchangeable head which can attach to a portable stand, wall, bench or floor mount. This gives you the flexibility to work on a range of bikes in a variety of spaces without ever having to buy another clamp head. Let's see how it works. The clamp head is made of aluminium. It's both durable and light and can be operated with one hand. Thanks to the unique jaw mechanism, it's impossible to crush the tube, even with a carbon frame. Once clamped in, you can rotate the bike through 360 degrees to find a comfortable working angle. So that the head is locked tightly into your choice of mount, both the head and mount feature a guide channel to ensure the fit is always secure. The modular nature of the system means the head can go from wall mount to portable stand to bench mount in a matter of seconds. The portable bike stand can be used indoors or outdoors, is quick and easy to set up, and will securely hold anything from a lightweight road bike to a heavyweight downhill bike. The wall mount is an ideal solution for garages or workshops where space is at a premium and doubles up as a great way to store your bike. The floor mount is a fixed position, heavy-duty metal plate that bolts directly to the floor for total rigidity. If you have the space, this is the mount for you. The bench mount is perfect for the home workshop, or if you want to avoid any chance of your bike being knocked over, as it can also be used as a convenient way of storing your bike. This handy optional extra is an ideal way of storing your tools, cleaners and lubes while working on your bike.
The Park Tool PRS 3.2 Deluxe Single Arm Repair Stand has been the standard of the bike industry for over 40 years. The PRS 3.2 is offered with the choice of two different shop clamps, the 103C or 103D. The clamp in the PRS 3.2 rotates 360 degrees, allowing the bike to be positioned at any angle. It's built from heavy gauge, oversized tubing, then chrome plated for years of carefree use. The PRS 3.2 easily adjusts to 5 height positions from 50 inches to 62 inches, utilizing our lock block system and locking pin.